Hi, it's Kate with WTI. If you're ready to revisit your old record collection, this is the machine you need. This is from LP&No.1. It is a 3-speed turntable and it's gorgeous. So not only will it play all your records, 33s, 45s with the little adapter, and the 78s, but you can also connect with Bluetooth. So you can play records, but you can also play music off of your phone.
I know you are with me, yeah.
And it comes with speakers. So this is honestly a full set for all of your entertaining needs. I love how simple it is, how sleek it is. It's beautiful. This is the black one. It comes in all kinds of colors, but it's got that really nice wood grain. It just looks very sharp. So super simple to use. As you can see, you can choose your RPM speed here, so you can adjust for whatever records you're playing. It does lock in place, so you don't have to worry about the arm swinging around when it's not in use. But when you are ready, you open it up, you use the little lever here to lift it, and then you just slide it over. It automatically starts spinning and it's ready to play. The sound is fantastic. It's really nice and clear. It goes quite loud, so if you're entertaining in your home, this is great for that. It also has a lid to keep the dust out, and it just looks really nice. I love how well it's made. You know that this is gonna last a really long time. It's so fun to go through old record collections. We just recently found a bunch of old records that we absolutely love, and then you can expand with some new ones as well. I'm so happy to have this in my home. I grew up with a record player and now my kids can too. So if you're looking to bring a little vintage back into your house, I think this is a really good way to do that. And that's my point of view.